how to subscribe to Memrise Premium. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can subscribe to Memrise Premium. And how do you subscribe? The first step is to log in into your Memrise account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will take you to your settings page. For the settings page, the next step would be for you to click on free membership upgrade. All right, you see, which is the first option here. After clicking on upgrade, I am brought to the upgrade page. The next step would be for you to select the plan that suits you more, the plan that you can afford. So we have the monthly plan, we have the annual plan, we have the lifetime plan. So select the one that you like to afford, then click on Go Pro, then select subscribe now, and then your payment method for your Google Play account will be displayed. If you've not added the payment method, you'll be asked to add the payment method. Go ahead, add it. After adding it, click on subscribe, and then just like that, you'll be able to subscribe to Memrise Premium. So once you subscribe, you have full access to all Memrise official language courses. You would have ad-free learning and exclusive features like AI buddies, sentence builders, and more. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a very good day.